Everybody, my Gameduino 3 connected with Arduino 1. Output earphone with amplifier. The same test. Two files. One file only video. Two file video and sound. Next test. This file not audio. The fish on the river. At first, finality this video, next video, same video, win audio. Finished test. Thank you, James.